How to do the photo swipe trend on TikTok. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do this kind of photo swipe trend that's on TikTok. So as you can see, a lot of these posts are photo swipes like this. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. So the first thing that you want to do is tap on the plus icon. And from here, you can tap on this little gallery icon to choose your photos. So as you can see, I've chosen my photos and you just tap on next. And from here, you see it is automatically turned into the photo slider. So it's automatically chosen to photo. If you tap on video, it won't work like that. So make sure that it's on the photo mode. So once you do that, you can even add music and auto sync your music. To do that, what you have to do is go to the video mode first and tap on this icon right here, and then tap on sound sync, and it will automatically sync your sound. And then if you go back and switch back to the photo mode, you will be able to post it as a photo. And then you can just tap on next to post all of these photos. You can choose your cover image as well. So let's say if I want to make this as my cover image, I can choose that. And if I want this one, I can do that as well. So after doing this, you can just tap on post and you will be able to post it as photo. So as you can see, here are the photos. And that's how you do the photo trend on TikTok. If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you on the next one.